Welcome to my channel, Smart Kiddos. My name is Pratiksha, and today I'm going to continue in the Python series, teaching Python for kids and beginners. Very, very simple. So in my previous videos, I taught you how to use the print function. I taught you how to use many operators and variables in Python. I taught you input and concatenation. I taught you if, elif, and else statement. And I also taught you how to do interactive calculators in Python. If you haven't seen those videos, please check them out later. What are we going to learn today in this video? Today we're going to learn the basics of while loops. So let's start. So here I'm in replit.com. So once you have signed in, you will scroll down and create a REPL. You have to click Python for template, and I'm going to name this Basics of While Loops. When I create the REPL, I will get this screen. So let's start with while loops. What are while loops and why are they useful? Well, first I'm going to have a print statement here. And I'm going to print hi. When I run this, I will get the expected result. But let's say I want to print this multiple times. Well, we have to copy and paste and copy and paste, and that's a lot of work. What we can do is we can do while loops. So while true, true is a Boolean expression, so true and false are Boolean expressions. So while true, colon, print I. You know what's going to happen? Well, let's run and find out. Okay, whoa, so it's printing hi a lot of times. This is a infinite answer. Why? Because this is a infinite loop. Because it is true forever and ever. So it's going to print hi, 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 hi. So this is irritating. So while loops are not really good for this. So why is it actually useful? Well, we can use while loops for complex programs. Like if we give a condition, it's going to run until the condition is fulfilled. Let me show you what I mean. So if you don't know how to stop the infinite loop, then no problem. Just delete the code and refresh your screen and you'll get a screen like this. So let's start with our main focus today, which is the user has to guess the letter. So this is called guess the letter game. So first what we're going to do is we're going to give the variable letter a value of n, and while it is true, then if letter is equal to, and then we're going to print congrats. Else, we are going to print oh no, try again. So when we run this, okay, we forgot the colon. Let me put the colon here. When I run this, it's giving me another infinite loop of congrats because we have given the loop while true. So letter is equal to n, so it's equal to true. So it's going to print congrats, 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 congrats again and again. So how can we make this a proper working game? Well, first we have to make it interactive, so I'm going to give the variable user letter is equal to input, not int input, as int input is for integers. It's just input because it's a letter. So input, and the prompt is going to be type a letter. Once I've done this, I'm going to give a while loop. I'm not going to give a boolean like true or false. Instead, I'm going to give a condition. So while user letter is not equal to n, which is the letter the user has to guess, then I'm going to copy paste this code. So why did I copy paste the code? Well, if the user does not type n, then the while loop has to print this statement, type a letter again and again and again until the user types n. So let's say the user does type n, then I'm going to print congrats. So when I run this, I'm going to type y, I'm going to type u. Oh no, that's wrong because it isn't n. Why is it doing this? Well, that is because we have done print inside the while loop. So it'll print this and this. So this is not what we want. We're going to do this outside the while loop. Basically, this is like else. So if this doesn't, work, if this doesn't match, then it's going to print this. So that means the user did type n and it's going to print this. So when I run this again, I'm going to type U, nope, I, nope, T, nope. Is it N? Yes, it is, and it's a beautiful. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Bye!